Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 14th to April 28th. We have a ridge here across the Northeast Pacific, here, trough here in the west, across pretty much Western North America. Mixed height anomalies here with a ridge also in here, Greenland. And we have a ridge here in the east. We have above normal heights across much of the east central states. Now, we will have a weakening low pressure system here that will be tracking through the southeast and produce rain and thunderstorms across the area with a few showers possibly into the northwest over the weekend. We'll take a look at that. You can see some showers moving in here. Originally supposed to be Sunday, but it looks like we might get some little rain on Saturday, as now we need the rain because so many places here, especially in northern New Jersey and parts of southern New England, they're under a fire watch because of dry and windy conditions. Even after all the rain that we have received in the past, the first couple inches of soil dry out very quickly in these kinds of conditions. So then we will have an upper trough that will be entering the west, and that will bring up, snow to the northern central Rockies and possibly the northern central states. And we'll look at that, the GFS. See here very well with the GFS, snow here across the area. And then rain will be across the south. You can see there'll be across the plains and Mississippi Valley into the east by early next week. See the system moves in there. Okay, that'll be the Sunday situation, but Saturday we might also have this week low across southeast that could be bringing some rain. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for April 19th to 23rd. And a ridge is forecast over the Aleutian still. And we have a ridge over Greenland, and a trough forecast over Alaska and Western Canada, and with the zone of flood above normal heights across the country. Now, some of the models, like you can see here, this is the European, kind of merges these two ridges here, while the others, like the GFS, has a very distinct trough in between. And we look at the it's the ensembles. Like I told you here, they keep them together, the Canadian ensembles, and also, to some extent, the NAEFS. Now, this could happen because what we got to do, we have to look at what's going on over in Asia. We still have a ridge here over Asia, but over northern Asia, there's a trough. If this pattern does develop with patterns such as this could be bring very cool conditions into the east. We have to see how that goes. But for now, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees. Below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 5 degrees above normal. And I kept this area near normal just because of what might happen according to the NAEFS ensembles. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look at the pattern for April 24th to 28th. And you can see that now we have ridging here remains in place, trough, due to blocking going on here. This is what, but then you look at the Canadian ensembles has a ridge here across the east central states with a zone of flow. And then we look at the European, still brings a little bit of troughing here, still keeps the ridges kind of merged. And then we look at the rest of the models showing similar conditions, except for maybe to a lesser extent the NAEFS. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies at 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.